As you guys all know, here at the Fischetti Law Group, we've got a lot of great things that go on for our clients each and every day. And we love sharing all the wins with you. Today, we had a random client, though, that walked in the door that unfortunately had a story that didn't have such a happy ending. You see, she had co-signed for a vehicle for her on-again, off-again boyfriend. Well, guess what? That off-again boyfriend went and got in an automobile accident. What he didn't tell his off-again girlfriend, who had co-signed for the car loan, was that he had let the insurance lapse. Well, a time went by, and as things happened, the person who he hit had to use their uninsured motorist coverage. Win for the person who got hit, bad news for the person who co-signed for the car, because today she found out that she got sued not once, but twice for the individuals that were in the car that off-again boyfriend hit. She's now looking at $90,000 in subrogation because she was the co-signer of a vehicle for some off-again boyfriend who didn't want to carry insurance. So the moral of this whole story is, think long and hard before you co-sign on a vehicle for somebody to make sure that they're going to be your all the time, on-again boyfriend or girlfriend.